All right, hey, what's up guys? So I'm videotaping this video on my phone, so let's get straight to it. So what I want to see is a DPF percentage on my dash, right? So I can't see it. I had it on my 2019. I want to be able to see that as well. All right, so what I have here is my trusty OBD2 adapter, and what I'm going to do is actually link up to FORScan. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and connect to vehicle. Ignition is on. It's in the HS, and vehicle's not moving yet. Yes, it does have the switch. Move it to MS. Go ahead and do that. Boom. Okay. All right, so it's picked it up. Driver seat module, that should be the last module. So what I want to go ahead and do is go to IPC, module configuration. Let's go ahead and play that. Switch it to HS. Okay. All right, so what this is going to be for is force regeneration request. As you can see, it's disabled. What we want to do is, whoops, no changes, nothing to do. Edit the selection. Press 1 to enable that. All right, so I edited. Now it's time to write it. Yes. All right, boom. So what I'm gonna have to do, turn off. Usually this part, I'll let it more so turn all the way off. And then I go ahead and switch it back into accessory mode and then press OK. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it do its thing. All right, everything looks off. Put the key back in. All right, and then back on. Okay. All right, so let me see what this actually did. All right, gauge mode, gauge detail. All right, boom. So actually what that did was exhaust filter 70% full. Okay, so originally my gauge detail only had the oil temperature and transmission temperature and the compass. That was literally the only 2 gauges. Maybe it was 3 gauges because the last one was still empty. But now I have the exhaust filter as a gauge on the truck dash. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys, so that is it. At the end, just make sure that you stop the program. All right, what you're gonna have to do is disconnect from vehicle right there. All right, and then you're good to go. Monitor should turn off. If you don't have one of these monitor or OBD2 adapters, this thing comes in handy. You can do a lot with FORScan. There's a lot out there already with FORScan, so I won't get too much into it. But yeah, that was a quick little upgrade and something to have some transparency with your regenerations when it's time to actually get that done. It's pretty cool to see how full the exhaust filter is actually telling you that it has, versus you just kind of getting blindsided when a regen starts when you're pulling into the driveway. So yeah, if you haven't done this, go ahead and give it a shot. Fairly simple. And yeah, till next time, see y'all.